What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Kaspa absolutely taking over, man. It's great to see, you know, gains are being made. Everybody that's in, man. For when I started to talk about it on the channel, gains are being made, man. That is absolutely bullish, man. And absolutely great for everybody that's in, everybody that's holding cash. You love to see it. Again, like I said, I see the future of cash because of the technology and innovation. I see it going very far in the future, man. I see it being at the top, you know, top 5, top 3, maybe even top 2 crypto in the space because of you know, the technology that is being developed with DAG Knight and Ghost DAG protocols. How, you know, Kaspa literally solves the blockchain trilemma, right? And right now, you know, it's it's insane what is happening for Kas, guys. So if you've been here and if you've been holding since all the way last year as well, shout out to you. If you recently found out about Kas, hey, welcome to the fam, man. Welcome to the Caspians, man. Guys, thank y'all so much for all the support on the content. Really appreciate it. If you hold cash, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Consistent uploads on the channel. Blow the videos up, guys. I appreciate all the support. I also have a Kaspa playlist on the front page of my YouTube channel for you to go through all my previous Kaspa videos that I've made, you know, in the past, right? But yeah, guys, Kaspa taking over, always trending on CMC now. CZ is gonna take notice and update this ranking, man. I see people commenting and saying that a project has to be listed on Binance for the ranking to update and it being the top 100. So if that is the case, I already know eventually Kas is gonna get listed on Binance. So you know that is gonna be something that's inevitable, right? Right here, Kas trending, man. Right now, Kas just broke to a new all-time high. Let's go. Let's freaking go. New all-time high is in. Super great, super bullish stuff for Kas, man. Just absolutely crazy stuff, guys. Let me see something real quick. Let me see something real quick. The FTV, okay. Wanna see, oh, there we go, okay. So right now, market cap is sitting at $872 million in market cap, $44 million in 24-hour trade volume, man. Insane stuff. This is the type of trade volume that gets you a Binance listing. That's what I'm saying. Like, eventually, Binance is gonna be buying a bag and then listing Kaspa, man. It's only a matter of time. You guys see what in my previous video where I said Bitboy talking about Kaspa, and all of a sudden he took notice. He said if it breaks above 4 cents, he's buying. So you know he's in now, right? It's guaranteed because Kas is at new all-time highs. It broke that 4 cent and he's in, man. And you can see right here, look at this breakout. This is the next leg, right? People are speculating that it looks like a double top. Well, guess what? It broke out, man. So it looks like Kas is just gonna keep pushing up from here. Vlado, 5 cent, here we come. When will Binance list Kas? I think very soon. VB8. AppStack, if you're having a bad day, remember that KDA holders are shorting Kas. X3, Kas's new listing announced. It's only a matter of time. ZLJ, beers in shambles right now. LOL. Julian, is it too late to buy right now? Man, I don't ever want to tell people to buy tops, man. I think, you know, eventually everything corrects. So don't buy a green day, okay? Wait for it to be red, you know. But from the looks of things, man, it's crazy. That's why I told people last time, get a little bit of exposure to Kas, you know, when it was at like the 1 cent, 3 cent mark, because I was like, okay, get a little bit of exposure because you never know if it's gonna keep going up. And so said, so done, right? Crazy. Sebastian, I'm bullish on Kas. Kas new all-time high from PN4 agent provocateur. Kas is incredibly bullish. Toby Wilshire, we are smashing all the records today, and that is a fact, man. We got 69,000 followers on the official Kas Twitter, And look at this, Bitboy Crypto, Ben Armstrong himself, 1 million followers on X, on Twitter, and 1.5 million subscribers. Looking in the cast and seems promising. Checking out the channel as we speak. Checking it out on the channel as we speak. We'd love to see them on a tier 1 exchange. Maybe CoinMarketCap can fix their ranking, and that is you know, what's potentially gonna happen next. Kaspa, the tier 1 exchange crowdfund for Kaspa has been successfully completed. Thanks to your immense support. More details coming soon. The Kaspa browser wallet crowdfund is still live. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's continue to shape the future of finance. So you guys see my previous videos, I covered that Kas had the crowdfund that they were doing for the tier 1 exchange. They completed the crowdfund, which is incredibly awesome, right? That is super great. And they also have the crowdfund for the browser wallet, similar to like a MetaMask, right? And that is still in the works, man. But all in all, super amazing stuff for Kas. You see Bitboy himself, man. Look at this. This is crazy. He was checking it out on a live stream, right? He was checking it out on a live stream on his channel right here. See this? New Bitcoin making millionaires. Kaspa best investment of 2023, right? And we got the thumbnail, Kas equals Bitcoin, right? And then you see, getting before the top influencers, man. Right here, from Laner, is it beginning? Kas, right? Other influencers talking about the project, myself as well. Look at that. Look at me, guys, I'm famous out here. But yeah, you know, it's happening, man. People are taking notice. Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa has a new all-time high for the second time today. Jeez, crazy stuff. Jim Skibum, you know, I always said Kas was sorely lacking in one thing in particular, and I was in it needed more your mom jokes. Thanks, Bitboy Crypto. Perhaps somebody will make it into an NFT for when you start when smart contracts launch on Kas. Also, you are correct. Max Kaiser did not retweet me because he liked Kaspa. He did it because he wanted to highlight that Kaspa will never be BTC. All good. He can make a 5x on his dinosaur coin for all we care. We're gonna do 100x on Kaspa, the first highly scalable, secure, and decentralized proof of work. Bitcoin does not compare to Kaspa currency, but we thank Bitcoin for the successful beta test. Jeez, Jim Skiba, man, always with the amazing write-ups. Shout out to Jim Skiba. We got a video right here from Bitboy once again, man. We got a video from Bitboy once again. Let me make sure my audio on point, guys. Let's see what he says.
I'm sure that he didn't retweet it because it had anything to do with Kaspa. He's a gigantic douchebag, but Kaspa community seems to be pretty nice. Seem to like them pretty good so far from all the comments I got yesterday. One guy said, where's the one guy said? One guy said, we don't want him. We don't want Bitboy Crypto and Kaspa. And I told him, I said, hey, your mom doesn't want me and her either, but guess what? I'm going to let you down.
What the? Whoa. The disrespect is real. What? What? You know, I'm speechless on that one, man. We go just move past that, right? We just move past that.
It was a good comment. It was pretty good. I just gotta say, I like to flame people with your mom jokes. There it is.
But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. You guys see Bitboy bullish, man. Bullish on Kas now. Top influencers are coming in. Y'all. Kaspa is number 49. Market cap, all-time high. Market cap 850 million. So on CoinGecko, we're in the top 50 now on CoinGecko, and we're making our way up, man. Dread Bongo, Kas hits new all-time high, enters the top 50, surpassing Algo, XTS, Frax, Theta. Tier 1 exchange on the way thanks to successful community raise. Shout outs to the Caspians. Shout out to you guys that are tuning in, the Caspians. You guys are the main reason for the success of the project, right? There's no like big money or VC. You guys see projects like WorldCoin, man. A huge amount of money in WorldCoin and all of the, you know, backing, how it got listed on exchanges super fast. Just super, no disrespect to any project, but it's super like inorganic, right? Compared to Kas. Kas is just super organic growth. Community, you know, small community started to develop and get bigger. community developers working on the open source code, people putting in people crowdfunding, donating to get Cas listed on these different exchanges, crowdfunding for more developments. There's no like VCs, no top, you know, huge money that's in Cas that could just dump on you, man. And that's why the chart is so bullish. If every crypto was like that, super decentralized like that, there'd be a lot more winners than losers in crypto, in my opinion, right? Because a lot of people get wrecked because of like the team dumping, people that are out there scamming to enrich themselves, right? All the token vestings, etc. You know, not the same here with Cas though. That's why Cas is so unique, one of a kind, man. I already said it's a unicorn of this cycle, and I will stick by that. Omish Cas is now in a gem box on KuCoin. The digital silver will make history soon. Everyone in the world will be talking about Kaspa soon. Look at this in the KuCoin gem box. Look at that, man. The pro traders are buying Cas. Super bullish, crazy. That is insane. That is so great. We also got here Water Junkie. Spent $8,000 on Cas today. It's still cheap if you ask me. Price discovery mode is on. It's a long investment, so who gives a crap anyways? And he already got 500k added to his giga bag. Water Junkie probably got like millions of cash just chilling, waiting for that $1, man. $2 to $5 as well. Crazy, man. Absolutely bonkers. Right? But yeah, people have full conviction on this project, man. Like I said, like compared to other projects, there's no VCs that could dump on you. There's no team that could dump on you. There's no Ethereum Foundation. It's just retail investors. No, you know, there was no insiders. None of that, man. Just retail versus retail, you know. And then the Caspians. This is how you get a really strong project, right? This is how you get a really strong project. Speaking of price discovery, it came out in the bear market. People always make fun of me for how I pronounce beer, but this is when it came out. So it's in price discovery, meaning that it doesn't have a lot of underwater bag holders. It's never seen a bull run, so more than likely it's gonna outperform a lot of other projects going into the bull cycle, guys. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. I want to see content creators on Cas get 10,000 views every video like the XRP community, man. Let's crush it. Thank y'all so much again for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.